Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to open Windows Terminal in Windows 11. So easy and quick way to open Windows Terminal. Right click anywhere on desktop, then click on show more options. Now here is the option open in Windows Terminal. Click on it. And here you can select any option like Windows PowerShell command prompt and Cloud Shell. And another way to open Windows Terminal, click on this search icon, type Windows Terminal. So open Windows Terminal. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple steps we can know how to open Windows Terminal in Windows 11.